Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has invited global investors to invest in Bengaluru, calling it the city of the future, while addressing the World Economic Forum in Davos on Jan 21st. Highlighting Bengaluru's strength, Shivkumar spoke about the city's pleasant climate, vibrant culture, and strong human resource base. He noted that over 500 leading global companies currently operate from Bengaluru, making it one of the world's most important hubs for business and innovation. The Deputy Chief Minister emphasized that Bengaluru has a deep, diverse talent pool, particularly in the sectors such as information technology, aerospace, and healthcare. He said Karnataka has around 70 medical colleges, producing nearly 1.5 medical professionals, strengthening the state's healthcare ecosystem. Referring to India's growth trajectory, Shivkumar said the country is preparing for the next 25 years of development, with Bengaluru continuing its leadership role as Asia's IT capital. Speaking on urbanization, he pointed out that India's urban population has reached nearly 40% and is expected to rise to 50% in the next 25 years. Comparing global tech hubs, he said while California has around 13 lakh engineers, Bengaluru alone has nearly 25 lakh engineers, underlining the city's unmatched capacity for innovation. On infrastructure, Shivkumar highlighted major investments in transport. He said Bengaluru's metro network will expand to 153 kilometers by the next year, and the city currently operates around 6,000 public transport buses, including 2,500 electric buses. He added that similar infrastructure upgrades are underway in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities across Karnataka. Concluding his address, the Deputy Chief Minister said the Karnataka government is planning infrastructure up to 2045 and assured investors of efficient governance, stability, and full cooperation from the state.
Good morning to all of you. I come from India, a great city, you all know, with a big population of around 1.4 million, and a very vibrant country with a huge population, with a big talent pool. Country is preparing for next 25 years what the city has to be, and I come from a stage of Bengaluru, which India is being seen through Bengaluru. That is the IT capital of the Asia. To tell one thing, the population is Bangalore, Karnataka is growing like anything, especially the urban population. Almost now it is 40%, it may reach up to 50% in the next 20-25 years. We are preparing ourselves what to do for Bangalore and Karnataka and looking at India. As you all right know, California has 1.3 IT professionals, but as for Bangalore has 2.5 million of IT professionals. This is the biggest strength. The entire urbanization is moving towards India, and it may reach till to 48% in the future. So we are all, especially on the mobility and the infrastructure development. Right. So every businessman all over the world leaders, first fly to Bangalore through India. First they doesn't want to come to Delhi. They try to reach Bengaluru. This is what the world leaders are looking at. So we are preparing well. So I would like to share you that it is a city of innovation, research, tech. All the Fortune 500 companies are staying at Bangalore. A big talent pool anywhere in the world. I think I don't want to compare any place, but this talent pool on anything, it may be aerospace, it may be R&D centers, it may be IT professional or medical. Especially in Karnataka, we have almost 110 million of the healthcare facility structure what we have. 70 medical colleges, we have about 1.5 million doctors which we produced every year for the health sector. This is the city where I come from. So I would like to all of you, this is a city for future. We invite everyone. Now already all the global leaders are working there. They have been growing up. But I would like all of us to come to the city. We'll all work together. We'll make you stronger. I always tell, joining together is the beginning. discussing, thinking together is the progress. And working together will be the success for making all of you very strong. So this is the city for the future, where all of you are looking at. Beautiful climate is being there. The culture is at the utmost. The talent pool is at the sky. So let us come, let us work together. Please visit our city. We all are there to work with you.